In this video, I'll show you how to share and duplicate funnels in System.io so you can save time and reuse your work. First, log into your System.io account and head over to the Funnels tab. Choose the funnel you want to share. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small drop-down menu or settings icon. Click it and select Share Funnel. System.io will generate a special share link. Copy this link and send it to someone else. When they click, it will instantly import the entire funnel into their System.io account, complete with all the steps and pages you built. Now, if you want to duplicate a funnel inside your own account, go to the same drop-down menu and choose Duplicate. The platform will create an exact copy of the funnel, including all the pages and settings. You can rename it, make edits, and use it for a different project without starting from scratch. This is super useful if you want to test variations of funnel or build multiple funnels with similar layouts. Once duplicated or shared, you can customize a copy without affecting the original. That way, you keep your main funnel safe while experimenting. That's how you share and duplicate funnels in System.io. Subscribe,